Forex feels complicated? This strategy is designed to make trend trading easy, even for beginners. The Easy Trend Strategy uses a clean trend indicator and clear color changes to show you exactly when to buy or sell. Buy. Setup. Market is in an uptrend. Easy Trend indicator turns blue or green. Price is trading above the trend line. A bullish candle closes in the trend direction. Enter a buy trade at the close of the confirmation candle. Sell. Setup. Market is in a downtrend. Easy Trend indicator turns red. Price is trading below the trend line. A bearish candle closes in the trend direction. Enter a sell trade at the close of the confirmation candle. No guessing, just follow the color and direction. Trade this strategy on H1 or higher time frames and avoid sideways markets to improve accuracy. This strategy is perfect if you want simple rules and consistent trends. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the free Easy Trend indicators and templates and start trading the easy way today.